Well, more news from the African region. Kenya and Uganda are in talks to establish a joint oil refinery in Tanzania. Now, the move comes as regional leaders push for industrial self-sufficiency. The project is aimed at harnessing the region's crude oil resources and strengthening energy security in the region. Now, speaking at a summit in Nairobi, Kenya's President William Ruto said the proposed facility would process crude from all across the region, including Uganda, Congo, and South Sudan, into refined petroleum products for regional use. East Africa currently imports all of its refined petroleum products mainly from West Asia, leaving the region vulnerable to supply disruptions and price spikes in the fallout of the Iran conflict.
Refinery is going to take on board the oil from DRC, the oil from Kenya, the oil from South Sudan, the oil from Uganda, and we will just need to build a short pipeline from Tanga to Mombasa, and the finished product will use the pipeline that we already jointly own with Uganda. So all our assets become profitable.
Uganda, which hopes to start commercial crude oil production this year, has also said it plans to build a refinery. The project hinges on policy alignment with regional governments and could reshape fuel supply across multiple countries. Leaders, including those of Kenya and Uganda, back the push for industrialization and a reduced reliance on raw exports. And to give us more details, take a look at this report sent by our correspondent, Luisa Olanye from Lagos.
The crisis in Iran affecting global energy has led most countries to rethink pushing East Africa to seek to eliminate its total reliance on imported refined petroleum, as Kenya and Tanzania lead neighboring countries to cooperate with Dangote to replicate its 65,000 barrel per day Nigeria refinery in Tanzania to supply East Africa. Dangote said with the necessary support from about 3 or 4 countries in the region, the refinery can be achieved within 5 years. The project aims to process crude oil from Kenya, Uganda, DRC, and South Sudan to meet the regional need, standing at about 32 million liters daily. From Lagos, Nigeria, Luisa Olani, WION The World.